It's Joe Hill from Done Right Management. I am downstairs at Sharlies Nest. Going to do a quick video tutorial on the television. So this is a Samsung Smart TV. We powered it on, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the Smart Hub button in the center of the console of the remote. Now this is somewhat of a finicky TV. It's a smart TV. And it's a slow smart TV, however. So you'll go ahead and cycle through the channels to pick what you want to watch. And as any smart TV these days, you're going to have to enter in your password, username, information, and just kind of go from there. YouTube obviously is trying to take over the world, so they plan on hopefully having you watch something that they have to offer. So Prime, Amazon Prime, Netflix, hopefully you have one of those accounts. And if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us. My name is Joe Hill. The landline phone number in the office, it's 208-634-0030. Hope you're going to have a great time. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of us. Cheers.